So as usual, new makeup drop, new video. So this video is on the 24-hour concealer from MAC. It is a first impression, so obviously I didn't wear it for 24 hours. I'm just letting you guys know before we get into this video. However, stay tuned for the application process, which is next, and then we'll get into the rest of the video. So starting off with the application process, I have the NW50 here with me, and I'm just gonna open it. It just comes in a standard box. It is so creamy. Just to mention, I'm wearing the Born This Way foundation. I like to do my first impressions and reviews with different brands as like the base or whatever I'm pairing it with, just because it's then unbiased, obviously, because you're making a formula for a particular product. So far it's like a little reddish, but we'll see how that comes out. It's super creamy, and I'm wearing the Born This Way because, so I just applied Fix Plus, and I'm just going in, I'm blending it out, and so far I'm a fan. I'm a huge fan. So the application process is super easy, especially with the Fix Plus. I guess obviously they keep that in mind with the formulas, because this bad boy is creamy. It is red undertone. I will mention that. I'll go more in depth about that in the color process of this review. But in terms of the application process, this is so easy. It is very, very easy, and it's blending really well with this foundation. And just a little quick, because sometimes I don't add these into my video, but I really want to. I'm just gonna add a powder to see how they work with each other. And this is a Laura Mercier in medium deep. Okay, so as you guys know, I don't bake for long at all. Like at all, I just wanted to set my makeup and get in and get out. So this looks actually pretty good. It's a little light, but there's nothing a contour stick won't bring back to life. And lastly, I'm just gonna apply this contour foundation stick, and this is a Bobbi Brown foundation stick, and I always forget Cool Espresso. I was gonna call it Cool Espresso. I wasn't sure. Deep Espresso, Cool Espresso. Everybody has some type of espresso that apparently I am. I'm actually liking this concealer. I think it's a good color match, and you guys will see in a second my struggles at MAC trying to understand their colors and how they made any sense. I was trying to make it make sense. The first category that I'm going to mention, and super briefly because it's exactly the same as everything else, is the size of this concealer. So this concealer is 0.24 ounces. It's the same standard size across the board as every other concealer that generally I can think of. So the next category that I'm going to mention is how available this product is. As most of you guys probably know, if you're watching this video, this product just dropped, so you can get this at any MAC store and online. But I will recommend do not buy it online. Please don't buy it online, and I'll explain why in a moment. So the next category that I'm going to mention is the price. This is a very reasonably priced concealer. So it is 19 USD and 24 Canadian. That's how much I bought it for. And generally speaking, that is quite cheaper by like a good $10 in comparison to a lot of higher end Sephora, the brands that you'll find at Sephora, but you're getting the same quality. You're getting really good quality, and obviously you guys know it's MAC. I don't even need to speak on the quality, so I feel like the price is beautiful. It's perfect. So the last category that I'm going to mention, and my absolute favorite category that I'm also going to mention, is the color. I will have to say, get a little comfortable because I have a little vlog segment at the MAC store, just trying on the different colors. So I swatched, I believe it was 5 or 6 different colors of this, and I will say right off the bat, and why I said don't order this product online, is because you're not getting the same color shade as you would in your foundation. So this is, I got the color NW50. This is not NW50 in the foundation. at all, not even remotely close. I'm not quite sure what gave them the to like, or like, I don't know what motivated them to name these foundations or categorize them based off of the colors, but the shade ranges just don't make sense in comparison to what the foundations are and the other concealers. I will also say that they jumped a lot, the colors jumped a lot between the different shade colors. So I picked about, I think, the 5 darkest shades, and those are the ones that I swatched, and the lightest one looks so light. The next one after that was what I thought I was gonna buy, which was NW51, and I was literally about to purchase that until I saw this one upside down, and I'm like, oh, there's NW50, let me just swatch that just in case. So actually the NW50, which is the one I purchased, is more red toned, and then the NW51 is more yellow toned. So I think that's kind of how they slightly, no, it doesn't even make sense, because then you just have cool warm, which is NC50 versus NW50. Anyways, I'm not sure how exactly they categorized it, but when I put one on my one eye, the NW51, the one that's not this, it was it didn't actually cover and conceal a lot of my under eye, and I realized in that moment that the reason I like red undertoned concealers is because it covers a lot more and conceals a lot more than a yellow toned concealer, whereas my yellow toned foundations are fine. It's just my concealers, I just wanted to cover my under eye, and that one brightened, but it didn't actually conceal and cover a lot of what was going on under here. So this one was a lot more perfect. Then it just jumped a bunch of other shades for the dark ones, and NW53 and I believe NW55. They just basically, the shade range didn't make any sense. That's why I was saying that you can find a MAC pretty much anywhere. Go to the store. Don't buy this product online. Other than that, I'm actually very impressed by this product. I really love it. I'll do an update video on it. It really does last probably not 24 hours. I'll do like 12 hours. I'm going to a wedding on the weekend, so I'll do a little updated little version of that and let you guys know. So overall, I absolutely loved this product. It's creamy, it has great coverage, it's affordable, it's a really good price. That sold me enough in itself. But I would definitely recommend it to you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys thought. Did you guys really like it? Because I thought that it did a really good job with covering my under eyes. Like, I feel like I look the part. But yeah, I'd love to know your opinion, so leave a comment below, and I will check you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye, loves.